Hi, hello, namaste, namaskara, Bengaluru. Welcome to Ajeya Crackers. We are going to see an unboxing video today. Thanks for your earlier support. Please continue to support us further. Thank you. Guys, welcome to the unboxing video of 5000 combo from Ajeya Crackers. So to begin with, we have the bonus crackers here. We have Robin 5-in-1 matchbox. We have Starlight, which is a fountain. We have one Water Queen. One Ultra Pencil. Ten centimeter. And we have 30 centimeters, 2 boxes of each, electric and crackling. We have one Chota Fancy. We have one 1/4 kg paper bomb. We have one small tin fountain. One flower pot big. 100 wala. One flower pot Ashoka. We have one strip bijli packet and one normal bijli packet. 28 chorsa, 2 packets. One ground checker big. One Shinchan digital lar. One ground checker deluxe. One Ganga Jamuna. This is a flower bomb. This is G Boomba. And we have one butterfly box. One Kit Kat. Five pieces of Kurvi. Then we have 5 pieces of Lakshmi, the 4 inches. And then we have 5 pieces of 3.5 inch Lakshmi. One bullet bomb. One hydro bomb. One slashing star, which is a fountain. One magic whip, which is a digital lar. Ground chakra special. And we have one color rain and one king of king bomb. We have an helicopter. One selfie stick box. One photo flash. One 1.5 inch twinkling star. Then we have a musical rocket from Starwell. Then we have 2 inch 3 pieces from Java. Then we have one 12 shot rider. And then we have one 1000 wala. And then we have one 30 shots multicolor from KKS brand. So we have totally 50 items in the 5000 combo pack. Thank you for watching. Guys, welcome to the unboxing video of 10,000 combo. We are starting off with peacock. So one bada peacock. Then we have 60 shots from Rajkalar. Flower pot Ashoka, and this is King Cobra. Rider. There's 30 shots from KK's brand. We have an helicopter and one father's spinner special. We have a popcorn fountain, 2 pieces. And then we have one 4-inch fancy shot from Suryakala brand, Niagara Falls. And then we have one from Pandian brand, 3.5-inch shot. Then we have musical rocket from Starwell and lollipop sparklers. Then we have a Chota Fancy. We have a color Koti flower pot. One 2K wala. One 2-inch 3-piece from Java brand. One selfie stick, one rotating sparklers, one bag from Magil brand, and 15 centimeters electric and crackling sparklers, 2 boxes each. Four boxes of electric and crackling from Shrikali's brand, 30 centimeters. Butterfly and flower pots big. One Ganga Jamna and one Moonlight from others brand. One photo flash and one ground checker special from father's brand. 5 boxes each of electric and crackling sparklers from Shrikali's brand, 10 centimeters sparklers. One Jiljil twinkling star. Ground checker big and ground checker deluxe, both from father's brand. One twinkling star small and one twinkling star deluxe. One Ganga Jamna and one color rain. One slashing star and one starlight, both are fountains. One Kit Kat and one bullet bomb. 28 chorsa and one 28 giant, one strip bijli and one normal red bijli, 100 pieces each. One king of king bomb and one classic bomb. One Shinchan, both are digital walas. One 100 wala and one ultra pencil. One bamra, one Paris tower and one 3-inch fountain. One little dove and one googly fountain. Magical peacock and one G boomba. One water queen fountain and one normal fountain. One quarter kg joker bomb. Now we have 4 inches Lakshmi, 3.5 inches Lakshmi and 2.5, 3/4 Kurvi, all 5 packets each. Finally we have one Robin 5-in-1 matchbox. Guys, we have totally 75 items completely packed in the box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the combo pack videos from Ajeya Crackers. Please do share and subscribe, and if interested, please do contact us to buy either the combo packs, gift packs or the Alacarte from us. Thank you guys.